You have the president last week saying we have to defend the peso, and then Finance Secretary Benjamin Jokno saying we have to keep the peso from breaching that 60 peso level. Is there even a need to have a line in the sand, so to speak?
I think only because we, at this particular level of our exchange rate, it is already more than 15% already from last year. So therefore, there might be implications on prices of goods and services accelerating further. So therefore, you just need to have that 60 pesos line as a matter of safety precaution in terms of impact on prices. But other than that, you are still awaiting for other outside forces for the exchange rate to be moving upwards.
But again, you have Governor Felipe Medalla saying that it has become the magic number politically. Are you also of the opinion that political forces are already at play here?
I'm not sure about the political pressures, no. But at the end of the day, I think there are a lot of misunderstanding about the movement of the exchange rate and how much we can really do to actually protect it, and by how much do we need to protect it, no? And do we even need to protect it? So again, this is a very complicated price indicator, more than our inflation numbers, because it concerns about the relative prices of currencies between the peso and the dollar. So we need to understand both sides, on the Philippine side and on the rest of the world side, especially the United States. So it's an exchange. So but increasing exchange rate is not bad per se. Too much increase, too much acceleration of the exchange rate, meaning, for example, if we push it to 65 to 70 within a matter of months, that would be damaging to the economy. But an increase in exchange rate is not bad per se. Too much acceleration in such a short period of time is the one that is the culprit.
So a lot of fundamentals at play here. So for you, what would be a healthy level?
I think if we can already stop at 59.60. So our consumer markets have already absorbed these price levels. And then this will be a factor for our manufacturers who are actually exporting, our BPOs. The tourists, the foreign tourists, are already coming into the Philippines as we have lower instances of COVID. So that would be good for our tourism, for our BPOs. So our BPOs have already declared that they are forecasting healthy growth over the next 3 years. So that, with a multiplication of those dollar revenues, will provide further increase in the purchasing power. So I think if we meet halfway of this from 58 to 59.60 would be somehow good, no? That a good intersection between controlling prices and at the same time making sure that we provide healthy growth, especially if we were to maximize the purchasing power of the OFW remittances, BPOs, tourism.